Welcome back. Well, let's start off with our radar. Taking a look outside, we did have a shower try and move through Meridian for the past couple of hours. Of course, the sun goes down. A lot of these showers, you can see spotty showers across our viewing area, will dissipate pretty quickly. So we missed out on some rain today, and our temperatures reflects that. 97 degrees was our high today. 71 was our low. Again, no precipitation, and we're still over 5 inches above where we should be for this time of year. Tonight's forecast, 75 degrees. We'll have some thunderstorms in spots earlier on. We can't rule out some redevelopment, but those chances are waning relatively quickly over the next couple of hours. And our highs for tomorrow will be much like today. Temperatures in the upper 90s with those winds still at the north-northwest, anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour. And we're still looking at some afternoon thunderstorms potentially. Not a lot, though. And yeah, the heat index value is still just horrible outside. Near 110 degrees is what it is going to feel like as we go on into tomorrow. Here's our radar. Currently outside over the past 3 hours, you can see spotty showers across the southeastern United States. High pressure still hanging out over the Gulf right now. That is quickly moving on off to the west. And what we're watching for, excuse me, is some tropical development that is starting in Georgia right now. So we have plenty of moisture being brought back from the Gulf right now. And as we go on throughout the next couple days, we are watching the tropics for, again, some potential tropical depression, tropical storm development that will impact us here in Meridian, whether or not it forms or not. So future radar for tonight, we'll get through tonight first. Overall should remain relatively clear, maybe some showers on off to our east. Your Tuesday, relatively clear until the afternoon hours, then we'll get some spotty showers popping up again, those summertime showers, and those will be gone by tomorrow during the nighttime hours. Now, let's take a look and talk about this tropical system a little bit more closely. So you see this little spin going on in central Georgia right now? That's what we call vorticity, just a spin in the atmosphere. And this is actually moving to the southwest right now. It's going to get out over the water over the next 48 hours. And there are plenty of ingredients down the Gulf right now for tropical development. There's low wind shear. Wind shear is the turning and the change in speed with wind as you go up in the atmosphere. Hurricanes don't like that at all. They like to be very, very calm as you go up in the atmosphere. If it's not, they just get torn apart very, very quickly. That's where we see a lot of our tropical systems lose their energy because of that. As well as the waters of the Gulf of Mexico right now, they're in the mid-80s, so plenty warm enough for tropical development. This will move down, and again, whether or not there's a tropical depression that develops, we're still going to get quite a bit of rain over from about Meridian down to the south, especially even through the Gulf of Mexico. This is going to move back to the west, that low will. That's going to bring back plenty of moisture. And so later this week, we're talking anywhere from maybe 1 to upwards of 4 inches possible here across our viewing area. Again, mainly down to the south would be the flash flooding threat. Still going to pick up quite a bit of rain here across Meridian. So let's take a look at your 7-day forecast real quick. Upper 90s for the next couple of days. Then we start cooling off. We'll be in the 80s by Saturday, and there's those chances for showers and thunderstorms across your 7-day forecast.